Hello, in this video we will have a look inside this Helitune rotortuner control panel. So let me remove the 4 big screws. Really, I am very happy with this purchase. I got it for 40 euros and it is a very small price for such a quality of equipment. It is awesome. You can find very expensive stuff for almost free when it is discarded. So I will remove these screws. It should just come down. Okay. So, seems we have one big circuit board, which is same part without the front plate. And we have here a lot of LEDs, so it should be for a keyboard backlight. So this part, front side here, must be some plexiglass panel, and here you have a circuit board. It is a common construction for aircraft control panel backlights. Not sure how the keys work. So lots of LEDs everywhere. Here a small interface PCB. So all the ICs in the device are socket mounted. So at least if I decide to scrap it, I will get a lot of ICs. So LM3524, some resistor network, some 74 series logic. You have here an inspection tag. It was inspected in 1991. Here 1992. Here you have a backside of the display panel. So common through all electronics, nothing special. Some more Allen screws. Some more inspection tags here. Flexible switch technologies limited. So the last checkout was in the early 90s for this device. You can see the nice construction. Really. Bracket here, isolated plate, and the display is mounted onto an aluminum frame. So very, very beautiful equipment. And is that all? The cover itself, made by Zero Case Europe, a unit of Zero Corporation, Birmingham, England. Inspected in 1982 also, some aircraft grade mountings, thick aluminum case. So yes, it is a display panel. You have alt voltage warning sign here. I see no backlight wires, so it is. Let me open this. It will be very fast. Yes, we will see better what there is inside. Okay, so yes, it is a regular electronics sharp made panel. Search for dead codes with the clips. You can see some SMD parts, optocouplers, power transformer, command ribbon cable. Here is the model number for the display. For whoever is interested, LG320U21. There is nothing else to see here. Okay, so I will put it back together. In the next video we will open the main unit and you will see it is really full of electronics. Bye bye.